welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And if you look around, this is my kitchen, and behind the camera, that's Michael back there. And I believe Teddy is around somewhere. I gave him a bath. Michael gave Teddy and Ginger a bath today, so they're nice and clean. But anyways, today, guys, they'll come on a little bit around so you guys can see them. I want to show everybody how to make sweet and sour sauce. This is a sauce that I have made previously, but not like this, to show you guys how to make just the sauce itself. I have made it
Not
with,
sweet and sour chicken.
I have made it with exactly
Sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour sauce. That's what I said. So what we're gonna do, guys, is I put a pot, one of my calderos, with a little bit of vegetable oil here. As you can see, I turn it off because it got a little bit too hot. So the first thing that you gotta do with this, I cut a green pepper, as you can see. We're gonna put my green pepper in, and one jumbo yellow onion. I usually put 2 onions, but 1 is good, because you don't need more than 1. That will do the job. Now I'm gonna turn this back in, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook all this, guys, nice and tender. Okay, so we're gonna leave it on high like that. We're gonna move it a lot around. And we're also gonna put, this is 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna take this garlic, and we're gonna sprinkle it on top of the onion and that pepper that we already have inside this pan. So as you can see, the oil, you see how it's already so hot that it's already trying to brown and cook. So we're gonna cook this until my garlic goes a little bit brown. Not quite brown all the way, but it starts turning color. So I'm gonna leave it like that on high, because I'm gonna keep on moving and moving and moving and moving and moving and moving. Because what I wanna do is I wanna make everything all together. I'm not gonna take a break. I wanna do it all together, cover it, let it get thick, and then we're gonna come back. So anyway, let's keep on talking about the sweet and sour chicken. I mean sweet and sour sauce. I keep on saying chicken because it is kind of like a sauce that you make for Chinese cuisines, Japanese cuisines, and Oriental cuisines. Now we are going to add, I bought a pineapple at the supermarket. Teddy, get your quiet, mama's recording. The dogs are like barking over there. So I'm gonna take, I bought a pineapple at the supermarket. It was like $1.99. A little pineapple. See how it's starting to get, right? You see it, Michael?
Oh yeah.
A little brown. So what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna put the pineapple. I cut in little tiny squares, as you can see. Because we're making sweet and sour sauce. Now, as I put that pineapple in there, I'm gonna take a little bit of pure ginger dust, okay? This is very, very pure. You can smell it, Michael. Sniff a little bit.
Yeah, it smells good.
And it's very
earthy.
pure. And I am going to put, tell me what it says there, Mike.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of ginger, okay? And we're gonna sprinkle it all over like this, because we want the flavor of the ginger to infuse in the pineapple, the yellow onion, the pepper, and the garlic. Oh, there's Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Hi, baby girl. Mama cannot touch you, but you look nice. Mama's gonna cut your nails today. You're looking like a witch over there, like Halloween, huh? There you go, right, Mom? So anyway, guys, happy Halloween to everybody. Okay, happy Halloween, everybody. We didn't decorate this year, but we did last year, so we did put up some pictures and videos from last year. I believe Michael, right, Michael? You took care of that?
Yep.
Okay. So anyway, guys, come here, Michael. So what you're gonna do now with this, guys, pay attention. I'm gonna lower it, okay? Because what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting seasonings in. Now the first thing that we're gonna put in here is gonna be a cup of water. We need a couple of cups of water. So Michael, put that on high. Okay, put the thing on high. I'm getting a cold cup of water from the fridge. With this filter. There you go. Put it on high. There you go. Thank you, Michael. So we're gonna put 1 cup, and we're gonna take another cup. It's gonna be 2 cups of water, guys. There you go. See? 2 cups of water, just like that. We're gonna put half a cup, quarter cup of rice vinegar, almost, you see? This is half a cup, right?
Yes.
Half a cup is almost full, but it's not quite. let me just fill it up. So you want to do that, and we're going to put half a cup of rice vinegar, and then we're going to take some ketchup, and we are going to do the ketchup and fill it up here in the half a cup, because we don't want to go, guys, you know what I'm saying, over, but we're probably not. So that's half a cup, and then we're going to put a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to end up, you know, emptying out this ketchup bottle. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of water in that ketchup water like this, and we're going to shake that, because we want to get the last. You don't want to throw that out, it costs money, guys, the last of it. So we're going to put it in there. Okay, so that's that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the soy sauce. We're not going to put a lot. What does it say there, Mike? Is that a quarter cup? Is that a quarter cup? So we're going to put a quarter cup of soy sauce. Let's fill it up all the way to the top. Okay. And then this is sesame oil, right? So we're going to put 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, right?
Yes.
Is that a teaspoon?
Yes.
Of sesame oil. You want to fill it up. Well, sesame oil is very strong, and it's used in Oriental cuisine, like I was saying. Now we're gonna do with this spoon. I'm gonna mix all this, and we also gotta put in here one more important item: brown sugar. Yes. So here we are with our brown sugar. So what are we gonna do with the brown sugar? I think half a quarter cup, Michael. What do you think? Is that a quarter there?
Yes.
So we're gonna put a quarter cup of brown sugar, just like that, and we're going to let this simmer for 15-20 minutes. And after 15-20 minutes, we're gonna come back, and this is gonna be nice and thick. The onions are gonna be nice and soft and smaller. We're not supposed to be seeing the things like this, the onions or the pepper. So what they're gonna do is they're going to kind of like not boil, but simmer. So the sauce is gonna get thicker. And like I said again, this is a sauce that you can use it on top of white rice. You can use it like if you're gonna eat egg rolls. You can cut your egg rolls and take pieces like that and dip it. It's a delicious sauce. It's done a lot in, you can use it on not only on top of rice, or you can use it on top of like some chicken that you cook, you know what I'm saying, just with salt and pepper, and then put it on the top. You can also use it on pork, you can use it on beef, you can use it on shrimp. It's sweet and sour sauce. So you can use it with a whole bunch of stuff. You can save it and put it in a Tupperware in the fridge. And then whenever you're gonna make a plate of something, if you don't have time, you use that sweet and sour sauce on the top. And trust me, it's gonna be the best of the best. So as you can see this boiling right now, Michael, come here. I want everybody to see. See how it's starting like to boil a little bit? Now this sauce, let me take a real spoon here. You see this sauce? I'm gonna go like this, because I gotta taste that it's delicious, what I'm making. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a lid, we're gonna simmer, and we're gonna be right back in 15 minutes. Do not go away, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Halloween, everyone. Beautiful. It's starting to get thick. Nice. We're back. It's been 18 minutes, and this is what the sauce, okay, it reduced to this. It is delicious. I usually put a little tiny bit of cinnamon at the end, like that. And then, so it can give it that flavor, right? Oh my gosh, you smell that, Mike? Oh, yeah. It is fascinating. And this is your sauce. And if you want to thicken it a little bit more, guys, you can always use a little bit of cornstarch. So what you do is, you put a little bit of ice cold water on a bowl like this, and you put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and with the thing, you stir it, and then you put a little bit. I don't want to put any because my kids don't like it that thick, and my husband doesn't like, but if you want to thicken the sauce, that's what you do. You put it little by little. I didn't have to put any. It just like reduced to this. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to try to make the sauce. You can make it. Just follow all the instructions. Click right below, and it'll tell you exactly what you need and don't need. It is unbelievable. And with that, I'm gonna tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Happy Halloween to all. I hope all the kids got all the candy they want, or thinking about going trick-or-treating and getting all that candy that everybody likes to eat on Halloween day. Don't drink and drive. Be careful. Be careful with your candy. Keep an eye on your kids as they're trick-or-treating. There's a lot of crazy people out there, but it's a lot of good people like us. So with that, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take a little sip so you guys can see, and go down below on the link, Patreon, if you want to donate $1 or not. Hold on a second. Look at the sauce, guys. It is delicious. You can use it on top of white rice. You can pour it on top of chicken that you have cooked, of pork, of beef, of shrimps. You can dip your egg rolls in it. I mean, you can do a whole chips, those flour chips that they have in the Chinese restaurant. They sell them at the supermarket. You can take those and dip in the sauce and eat them. And I love you all. Have a great day. Happy Halloween again to all. And thanks for watching.